Good morning, everybody. One of my TikTok viewers, Dino, requested a short video on the reassembly of the Tokarev TAR-12 semi-auto 12 gauge. I'm going to do this in two parts because I want to show the disassembly as well. First thing I'm going to do is take the magazine out. Mag is empty. I'm going to check the chamber. Chamber is clear. Alright, one of the first things that we got to do is get this front guard off so that we can work the mechanism down. We can get the breech about halfway down here somewhere, and then the charging handle should pop out real easy. Sometimes they do get a little tight, so I've got a rag to lay on top of the gun here and some pliers to help pop it up just in case. But first things first, we're going to take this nut off right here. That comes off, and then just a little wiggle, the whole front guard comes off. And then I'm going to grab here and here, and I'm going to push this whole thing down so that I can pop this out. First things first, let's get that rag ready. And right about that. Oh, wait a minute. She popped out with my hand. Awesome. All right. Next thing's next. This little handle right here can be a booger to get this lock, but inside there is a guard. This lock has to be pushed down out of the way. So push down again, and I'm going to flip this little switch. Like I said, it can be a booger, so you may actually have to reach inside and help push it down. It ain't budging at all this time. Well, I did say it was a pain in the butt. Let me pause while I get this thing. Okay, we're back. I did say that was a pain in the butt, and it is. Sometimes that little switch just does not want to flip that little flap. But I got it flipped. Next thing's next. Got to take this nut off. Alrighty. It should just pop right up. Slide, barrel and gas ring, breech block, rail, and spring. And you can't really see it from this angle, but that little flap right there inside, it's sticking out that way. That stupid little thing right there is what that switch does, and it just does not want to flip sometimes. So that's disassembly. I'm not going to disassemble the breech block. That's just too much to get into right now. So we're going to pause and come back so that we can show the reassembly. All right, reassembly, pretty simple. Spring goes on first. Then you slide. Breech block sits right on top. Barrel sits on top of that, and everything should just slide right into place. Make sure the barrel's all the way down. And you're ready to put this little black nut back on. Oh, it would help if you don't put it on upside down. Knurls to the top. Alright. Make sure everything's good and seated. twist. Right. Now we can get the charging heifer back in. Simply pull back on this to about somewhere in here. Make sure you get your square side to the top, and she should just pop right in. All right. And go back in place. Seat her all the way down. And screw the nut down. There you go, Dino. That's how you do it. Give her a good twist. Yep, we need to put that little flat back down. So I'm going to pull the breech back. I'm going to turn that switch down. And it actually popped down on its own this time, thank goodness. Alrighty. There she is. Pew pew.